So, Brian, do banks finance off-plan projects?
Good question. We actually get asked that question quite a lot. Do banks finance off-plan developments? Currently, the local banks do not finance off-plan developments, and mainly because of the risk factor, the risk element that is associated with off-plan developments. So most banks will finance you, the purchaser, or you, the buyer, upon completion of the project. However, if you're interested in buying an off-plan development, I would advise, or we would advise, for you to go to your local bank and request them to do what is called a pre-qualification based on your statements, your income statements, or your business statements. And your bank will be able to tell you, look, you qualify for an X amount of money. If you were to apply for a mortgage today, you qualify for X amount of money. So after that, you could request them to give you what is called an offer letter from the bank. That is, of course, after going through various banking processes. That after getting that offer letter, you can actually present that document to the developer from whom you're hoping to purchase a unit from. And in most developments, that is very, very much acceptable. But what happens in our market, in our current market in Nairobi, most developers, if you're buying through mortgage, will require you, or will opt you to do a deposit of 10 to 20% down payment on the purchase price of the property. So assuming that you're buying an apartment worth, for example, 10 million, right? Most developers will ask you to do a deposit of 20%, which will work around to be about 2 million Kenya shillings, and the balance of 80 will be paid by your bank upon completion of the project. That's how it works. Santi.